In this video, I'm going to change the way that I inherit the layer. So I have a Nuxt project here that I'm calling the range apex, and it has a package JSON file that includes just the Nuxt and just the view modules. You'll notice that in the Nuxt config, I extend this Nuxt project by reaching up 2 folders and down into another project called My Nuxt UI. My Nuxt UI is just another Nuxt project. Bare bones. It doesn't even have an app.view file. It just has a basic configuration with a favicon, and it uses the Nuxt UI module. And I haven't done anything with the Nuxt UI module yet, but it's there. It's present. So notice again, in my Nuxt config, I'm just reaching into a local file system to get another Nuxt project as a layer. I want to try this another way, which would be, for example, say GitHub. I'm just reading the documentation on the left here. I should be able to say GitHub, my name's my Nuxt UI. This is a public repo for now. I should be able to just go and grab it this way and then comment out this line. Let's see if it works. Well, on this page then, it actually doesn't say what I need to do next. Do I need to actually run npm install? We'll see. Let's not do that. Let's just try to run nuxi dev, and stuff should break. It broke. Failed to download API github.com repos, my Nuxt UI, tarball main. Right, because it's not at that path. It's not at api.github.com. It's not there at all. Why would it be there? Oh, right. That could just be, let's try, because I have to use the proper branch name, and I set this up as a Git. I quickly set it up as a Git repo, and it just defaulted to master branch. So let's try it again. Cannot start, so it cannot find the module, Nuxt UI. Interesting. There's this flag then, let's try. Let's say in here, install true, and we'll give this another shot. Cannot extend config from install true in home Nuxt apps, the range, not sure why. Fine, let's do a pnpm install, already up to date, Nuxt prepare. So it's doing a prepare and it's not finding the UI. So this is not working as documented. Cannot find module Nuxt UI, acquire stack. Do I need to include, no. So if I can't use a layer that's my own repository at GitHub, I don't know how I'm going to be successful in using anyone else's layers. Just to confirm, this still works the old way, build, that's all working. And then I can preview or dev, and that will host it at localhost 3000. That's working, but it's not working if I try to use a GitHub repository as a layer. There's no information here whether I should use this as a dependency in my package JSON file. I don't think I need to, because it's clear that this is already reading the repository. It's already reaching out to the GitHub repository and then trying to parse through the package, and it's looking for a Nuxt UI module that it cannot find. It looks like this just isn't working. This install true flag just isn't working. Cannot extend config from install true. When using Git remote sources, if a layer has npm dependencies, mine does, and you wish to install them, I do, you can do so by specifying install true in your layer options. So in the Nuxt config, extends install true. And that's just not working. So let's find out more about that. Looks like that's an array of arrays. That is not clear in the documentation, but it's clear here, or at least it looks like this is a real thing, and it's working. Look at that. Nuxi build, and then Nuxi preview. This should work here. Lovely. Working. Nuxi dev. Right on. That's working. I want to, well, I'll stop the video now and then I'll move on to another task in a new video. But we're able to now prove that we can grab a GitHub repository, a public GitHub repository as a layer, and it works just the same as it would if I grabbed it from my local file system but there are reasons I don't want to grab it from my local file system. Thanks for watching.